Welcome to our installation walkthrough for Adobe Premiere Video LUTs. We've already downloaded the video LUTs from the website, so if you haven't already, pause the video, download them, and we'll be here for you when you get back. Take the first step and unzip your download to prep for import. Inside, you'll see the Getting Started PDF and the Adobe Premiere file you'll need for import. Next, we'll open Premiere. Open an existing or new project. It doesn't really matter, any project will do for this installation process. After opening your project, locate the Effects panel. If you don't see it right away, click on the Windows tab in the top menu and scroll down until you highlight Effects and click. Now that the Effects panel is open, right-click where it says Presets and scroll down to Import Presets. In your unzipped download folder, find the Mastin Labs Video LUTs file and click Open. Now back in the Effects panel, click the arrow next to Presets and you should see Mastin Labs LUTs, followed by the LUT pack that you've downloaded. Open that, and inside you will see the supported cameras along with the different picture profiles available to edit. That's it for installation. Let's move on to editing your first video clip.